Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. We will talk about airstrike in Lankin, South Sudan, and Doctor Without Border evacuating their staff, the strong accusation from Nyirol County leaders, and a growing refugee crisis in Western Equatoria caused by fighting in the Central Africa Republic. These are not just stories, these are human life, these are families, these are children, mothers, and elderly people. Please listen carefully, share this video, let the truth reach many people. If you are new to Changfied YouTube channel, please, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin this report with MSF evacuated staff from Lankin. Let us begin in Lankin town in Nyirol County, Jonglei State. Lankin is a home to many Nuer civilians. It also hosts a health facility run by Medicine Sans Frontiers, also known as Doctor Without Border or MSF. This hospital is very important. It treats sick children, pregnant women, elderly people, war-injured civilians, but on December 29, 2025, Pierre returned to Lankin. So what happened was, according to MSF, airstrikes were carried out near the MSF hospital, the local market, the airstrip used to send patients to other hospitals. This bombing created panic by the SSPDF. Because of the worsening security situation, MSF evacuated key international staff from the Lankin facility. This does not mean the hospital is closed. The facility is still open. Local medical teams are still working, but the evacuation itself shows how dangerous the situation has become. After the airstrike, 12 injured people were brought to the MSF hospital. They included children, elderly men, and elderly women. Most injuries were broken bones, deep cuts, serious wounds. Sadly, one patient later died from injuries. This is the human cause of war. MSF strongly condemned what happened. The head of mission in South Sudan, Ibrahim Mohammed, said clearly, medical facility must be protected. Elder workers must be protected. Patients must be protected. These protections are not optional. They are required under international humanitarian law. MSF also called for protection of civilians, safe evacuation of critical patients, and respect for hospital and medical workers. This is not the first time. In 2025 alone, MSF recorded at least 8 attacks on its facility and staff, 2 hospitals closed, many health services suspended in Jonglei, Apenal, and Central Equatoria State, according to the report. MSF has worked in South Sudan since 1983. That is more than 40 years. In 2024, MSF treated over 800,000 outpatients and admitted over 84,000 inpatients. When hospitals are attacked, people die silently. Let's move on. Nyirol County Commissioner condemned SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force. Now we move to a strong political and military reaction. The Commissioner of Nyirol County, Peter Gatkot Kwang Duor, has spoken out boldly. The Commissioner wrote a formal letter to Major General Lu Reikong, the spoken person of the SSPDF. The letter was written on December 30, 2025. In this letter, Commissioner rejected an SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force evacuation order.
The South Sudan People Defense Force had told civilians to leave areas believed to be under SPLA-IO control. Why the commissioner objected? The commissioner said this order is dangerous. Why? Because civilians are not soldiers. Civilians cannot just disappear. Civilians have home, families, and life. He warned that such order can be used to justify attack on innocent people. The commissioner directly mentioned the December 29 airstrike on Lankin, and he accused SSPDF forces of bombing civilians in town using cluster munition. Cluster bombs are globally banned because they hit civilians randomly. They continue killing long after war ends. According to the commissioner, on the airstrike, when the SSPDF helicopter gunship bombed the civilian using incendiary chemical, at least 12 civilians were killed. Victims include women, children, elderly men. A person with disability was also killed. These were not fighters. These were ordinary people. They are civilians. The letter also made a serious accusation. The commissioner said civilians were targeted because of their ethnicity. He described the attack as lawless, unprofessional, and a violation of human dignity. The commissioner made a strong statement. A legitimate government protects its people. A legitimate government does not bomb them. And a legitimate government respects international law. The commissioner called on SSPDF to stop attack on civilian areas, limit operation to military target only. Commissioner warned that continued violence will increase suffering, destroy trust, and deepen instability. Let's look at the current situation. As of now, tensions remain high in Nyirol County. Civilians are afraid and leaders are calling for restraint. People want peace, not ordered to flee, not bomb from the sky. Let's move on. Car clutches push refugee into Western Equatoria. Now we move to Western Equatoria state near the border with the Central African Republic, CAR. According to the report, there were massive displacement. After heavy fighting inside CAR, at least 2,700 refugees crossed into South Sudan. Most of them, or most, arrived in Yubu and nearby villages. They are mainly women, children, elderly people. They come with nothing. Refugees said rebel clash with CAR government forces. Fighting began suddenly. Homes were burned, property were looted. One community leader, Misan Olive Obama, said, "We ran with nothing. No body, no water, no food, no water, no shelters." Conditions in Yubu are very bad at the moment. Refugees are facing hunger, dirty water, broken borehole, poor sanitation. Children are getting sick. The rainy season is coming. This increases the risk of disease. Local leaders are asking for urgent help. The Relief and Rehabilitation Commissioner confirmed assessments are ongoing and resources are very limited. Traditional leaders say clearly, "We welcome our brothers and sisters, but we cannot manage this alone. They need food, shelter, medicine, and protection. Without help, this situation may turn into a disaster." Before we end this report, I want to speak directly to you, to all our viewers in South Sudan,
in Ethiopia, in Sudan, in Kenya, in Uganda, in diaspora, in Egypt, and all around the world. I wish you a happy new year in advance. May the new year bring peace, safety, healing, truth, and unity. Let us leave behind hate, lies, violence, and move forward with humanity, compassion, and understanding. Thank you for supporting Changfied YouTube channel. Tikon clear down want to bukon kaling ka jari pore me. Lera nama ban link ban right ka kwi Lankin. Wade shire nyalche boktin. Lera rawo da ban right ka kwi Doctor Without Border. Wa chicken ne kon la la chicken ke evacuate ban je link doran. Lera diodin ban right ka kwi Nyirol County. Chi commissioner che jo che jalat. Kwe the SSPDF kwe the kadur. A jordin ban link was me ban right ano ka Western Equatoria chala don chi Central Africa Republic chineken chi godan gwasamo gwan mi shaga joitin akor la CAR ban ragatin content lat karodian a chana je to ka jen evacuation dung am ceremony jon yama chala gwasame ban nyakel dara shal ke Lankin town Nyirol County ka Jonglei state Lankin don't worry and Lankin take gwab mete gwab wala pointe ten la dwelwal akane de konte ke dwelwal kane de chalke medicine sans frontier organization amile de long kata dana dong de nat adiken tege je chit kane kon moy ko wal jen chala Doctor Without Border ke MSF jen lana la ka loka jen a very important organization and when me tege dwelwal mo gwalong la gad la ka mojo wal la men ruin la ka mojo wal la ne tin dit botin kon panking ga jot ba la ka loka kala ne tin kon tin dong cha moy ka bot gwat kur la ka loka bane ka jo chalat gwat some ka chan dang ri bangman ka pai wero ron kin dang ro jan dang ro di diech ka jo ja gwan wo ne ne ka Lankin ka kwere dana chitwo no wa chal cha MSF gwad dana til dulwal teten la MSF hospital ke local market kena airstrip gwad dana rinna la nyurtin wa cha jebok netin kontin la dina SSPDF and me chene ringwan te ga gaje long it create panic gwad dana SSPDF helicopter en chebok kuje mo coach situation cha bech ci jiyama saf ci gane ken ke evacuate ku gane evacuate ne tanat la international stop cha we Lankin ya we Lankin facility gwal dan dong de connect na kuma SSPDF chenyo no wata maga jodan chala den wo cha dul wal cha ga dul wala wale de dino cha woni ne de kon la lat ko dong de na de ko bonyok de ye den dere jen chala de nono wa dul wala tema tene de kon la local medical team kan de tenono wala lat kan moy kana wal bane de kon te ko long mi long cha ko wuch cha ka evacuate any evacuation me bega korke me chi wude shalke lure kong chawdor che jetop but before that kore dana chitwo me chi renyal me che bok wala KMSF amentiga dul wal wa chi MSF chi gane chu wero no shi kan ka jekte cha mu ka bore dit ke cha bok renyal wari une de totin cha nan KMSF hospital ka gat ken neti dit ala wuni kana men katene ngwande kan ka bot wani di wana kontin chanang dul wal wa ka ni dong chatul katiken ka bod jid long te sha de la rana barka dong bala bon midit wa ka ni kontin dong chanang dul wal chikala don wo shiram ke liye de jien tet ke dien kan jamasa da kan jalslo an di long so mu chirkana me to ga de ni SSPDF ko boga dana shi boga ja end of mission kajan mishal ke MSF wana wudu shali Ibrahim Mohammed chala da wone ne ajanek en kan medical facility la duel medical dial ajan de ka gang ajan workers no bone ko la de ka gang bane amene de kontin to panken ka dual kin ko la jejwana de gan yal de ka gang ajan na me chi optional ajan ma sanu ne to de ka dilga ko ke international humanitarian law
warami mumela patient ke be point de kan ramu la let dulwal wa they deserve ko dong de ko protect chaka de chen ka ta chen nentin kokien so kuje mo cham sep jikala do ne gor kano de civilian de gang ka de ne dial kon tinta ka board de ka gang aka de na gwader den so jenta dan lat keneje ban mi kala lung e kene shiga jien an gwad dan tikitin chigala ro ne ka jeron kin daro jandang ro de jame e kene am sep take tun wani che record atang tin kon la ka bugatin chigala ro ne godang badag shaga buktin ala ilzi facility niken tila buka kuma SSPDF kan wena mo cha to hospital chwaka gek kan ilzi service in konan kwalatup waya gagandial ka jongle ka panal ka central Equatoria ka kan kwi kor kona to awa am safety janye longre wiki South Sudan ne ka 1983 alo wimi that yet ka 40 years and tema runi jan 1 lede ke 2024 kan ci kan shop ke kinu ku dang badak 800,000 outpatient chicken ko moy ka wal ne ri cha toy ne ka kan ne de chop ke kinu jan badak dun wan tilet te cha tuach kan chicken ko moy baka wal ala 84,000 inpatient me cha hospital charge attack to the million ko me ane den wan kan liu lora ko tel wal ba kam ke braro per ke liaba ya jo mo cha la do won tema cha ne din kon tilla GMSF la international key international staff wacha ke evacuate duno kan godan cha nangtin kanalat kadwal ko dong de ka mak anytime ki dong de re nyal dara bok chirme change me cha bok Jordan mem banalinga blari podana chala the Nyirol commissioner kene chicken SSPDF chigana condemn ki chigana ko dwer commissioner du Nyirol county wun Michelle Peter gat kot kwang duor charaje jo chalong Commissioner che gor nene che warga mo gor neje Major General Lurey Kong kataye dane che General Lurey Kong che warga che gor ke che roi ke video Major General Lurey Kong jene jaram dan la lere lat ke dine SSPDF ke roje chalat ke chang jandang jok ronkin dangro jandang ro de ke jen pai waro me che commissioner che SSPDF evacuation che kala no woje rodun yene diala kontila civilian goda dan tes SPLIO Tethin, che condemn. Che order mo che la no jiaga. Munyo no mi SSPDF she can order ikanato. O che can go be can ne kon lan wer be can target. Ko kon go the contact thing ne diality waka dor ken ka weekend. Yen go tel gwadin mu de ko ren la barten. So commissioner ma logo je jene. A jene order me jiaga lu no bana jugo no jiane. Kan civilian pan ken chike de ni. Ci civilian kan de balore jo ke woje rodun ka dor kena to tiken ga families tiken ka gat a gwatik dien a ci lure ko ngena de jogo no jana mi nyono jen a systematic way mi bana ba kana ga jebe kular no run me che laria awade na kula ring ne kana mo chien kaka commissioner che la do ne chenge dan me chana nak ke chenya ndang lut bangwan dor chal ke lankene je ji SSPDF chaka gwany ano gwate dane chicken bokten chiga bong na civilian re market ka an cluster munation dan ke insidiar weapon kem kole kana bogoje bokene market chicken bong na gwat mti de inteketen yala na me jegalon kone de kone shanak ka civilian yan menyen yande yan goroje spelayo an kore dane chituo ke boge dane chirenal che bogoje ne dangwaro chekanak karunen dial ten kon ci liwne dang wara to kamen kana gad tiene kamen ti dit kana tana te dong te bum ti ne wara ti chenak re nyale dane shibo kana ri anak point dien SSPDF chika deni they were not fighters the ordinary people ne tene kan ka market ka shwaga bok shwaga mulpin akume jawar gamo che jagor ka gonyo kume SSPDF and commissioner yala do wonene mi cha civilian cha target ami jegalon eno ba civilian ba target ko kan nuare jena me checho mu go yena ami che kana me rami mamma ku civilian ku target e jena che jen kan wat lawless ka unprofessional kana mabo a violation of human dignity ano yarga na choran mu go no nyen kana we are gurno biaw nyingane ko la de ni shi civilian commissioner che jo la nene ajena kuma magwa mba chole kume la gang ne neka chenega cheka nega chenega cheka bom jenbo la international law ngod international community la ka lose so cho la SSPDF no nene chwa civilian chwa kanak chwa ne civilian chwa kanak magori ne kwa we biaw target military la GSP la yo chwa target netin kon tila nwere kenwer civilian ko chenge dane chana naga je ka joran chala commissioner nage na ka market chana na de ka ke gwada dande de indigtin so jo me mele roda watin chin ngodatin ka wo shi ponde en lure kong choro che to buno ne na aram we te chi jenan wena mo ka posin dana tiji SPL ayo tikitin a jeni shwana belirun na me report de yenling ler do dien jenene dore shwal ka me Central African Republic CAR wacha ne ken chaga joj ka kurm ci tuok wane de chubka kin dangro de kudang baro kin dangro kudang baro wacha ren bar re wika South Sudan gwada shwal ke yubu ne de kono wacha ren bar wika South Sudan ruden dial kamen ka gad ken ne tidit wajel ken gatitken tele ka kwan tele ka ngwane so ne me mutuok ka kodana ci tuok ka Central African Republic jo me digeneling leren jok gwas mende lariye de jogono happy new year alo dan test karon jidida wo content ade ne dial content la gwe gwas me kelen karwa ni chiang ka Changfied YouTube channel de jogono atalo ajwe kaya ya moje pol point karon 2026 ala ron malka ala ron me momel teke safety ala ron ko bine dial point ken buka pol ala ron ko bine dial bukan tok bukan alat ala ron mada kan dial ron we be yone a nyirti lawutin a kachi lawutin ka kore ke ci wutin kore ka do ka 2025 so na me dere we kayya en gwado mi gorjeno dere andere let la ramita humanity ke ramilud na lut ne ko na chaka kot ramita compassion ke te ka chiang magware te ka da ka ramita ka understanding ke ramita ka shobluach mi cha ran jogo no ne me je ka be shuling ne ka kel nyen gwada na de kon chongtin and a happy new year in advance 2026 ya tamal bye bye